Hello students, good morning to all of you. Hope you are staying well, you are staying healthy and you are in high spirits. Students, we are going to complete our first term syllabus as early as possible. After that we will do some revision and then I will give you some tests so that I can check your revision. So don't take it as holidays but take it as time for revision. You have ample of time. You can schedule your time, you can make your own schedules according to your convenience. So get up early in the morning. Don't think that it's holiday. We can sleep up to 12 a.m. or 1 p.m. Kindly get up at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, have some exercise, then have your breakfast, then sit for studying as your school schedule. I think you will be following my advice and you will be doing great. If you are going to do that, then you won't lag behind others. If you are just spending your time sleeping, then it will be very much difficult for you to cope with the pressure that will going to come after the opening of the schools. Thank you very much. Let us start today's class. 10th class students, today we are going to start with the new chapter. Name of the chapter is Reflection. About reflection, you have studied in physics also. In physics, reflection is through mirror. If I put a mirror here, this is mirror M. I am standing here, then I will see my image here. The image is as far from the mirror as far I am standing from the mirror. So it means if I take this point as OA, then OA will be equal to OA dash. OA will be equal to OA dash. As far as I am standing before the mirror, the image will be there. If I go farther away from the mirror, image will also travel farther with the same distance. If it is B, then B dash. So OB will be equal to OB dash. This you study in physics about the reflection. Reflection of B is B dash. Reflection of A is A dash. In mathematics, same thing we study in reflection, but here reflection is of points, not of objects. And coordinate axis we use as mirror. Here it is mirror. Here we use coordinate axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. One point is there. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This point is 3, 2. If I see the image in x-axis, it will be as farther from x-axis here. Now it will become 3 minus 2. If this point is 3, 2, I take its image, keep the distance same, OA, A dash, as we have done in the, put camera here, we have done in the case of mirror. Now in place of mirror it is x-axis. So OA will be equal to OA dash. If it is 3, 2, it will become 3 minus 2 because 3 is there, it was 2 here. Now it will be minus 2 here. So image of 3, 2 will become 3 minus 2. Now suppose I use y-axis as mirror. Then image will go there. If I see in the y-axis, make y-axis as mirror. It is 3 points away from y-axis. It will go 3 points inside in the y-axis. The image is 3 points away from the y-axis. If I use y-axis as mirror, it will go 3 points inside of the mirror. So if I write O here, OA, then OA dash here, this point will be -1, -2, -3, then it will become -3 and 2. So take image of 3 to an y-axis, it will become -3, 2. So from this I conclude that if I do image of AB in x-axis, then it will become A minus B. See here, I am taking image of AB, it is A, it is B. Now it becomes A minus B. 3 is as it is, 2 has become negative. First point as it is, second has become negative. X-axis as it is, y has become negative. So if take image in x-axis, sign of y will change. If I take image in y-axis, you see, now sign of x has changed. First coordinate has changed, second is as it is. So if I take image in y-axis, sign of x will change, y will remain as it is. So again I repeat, if I take image of a point in x-axis, sign of y will change. If I take image of a point in y-axis, sign of x will change. X mean we say it abscissa. This we call ordinate. I think it is clear. Now one more point. If I take image in origin, then this distance it will travel here, the point will be here. Now you see x is -3, here -2, this point will be -3 -2. This point I take as S. S is -3 -2. So if I take image of AB in origin, both signs will change. Sign of x will change, sign of y will change. So again, image in x-axis mean y changed, image in y-axis mean x changed, image in origin means both the signs are changed. Now let us start with exercise 12A. Complete the following table. 1, 5, 7 becomes -5, 7. 5, 7 is becoming -5, 7. Now students, you see sign of first is changing. So when sign of first is changing, come back, it means it is in y-axis. Sign of first coordinate is changing, it means reflection is in y-axis. So here I put y-axis. Then 4 to question number 2. 4 to, it is in x-axis, it is given. Now when image in x-axis, then sign of y will change. So my answer will be 4 -2. Then 3. Here I don't know the point. Image is in y-axis, then this point becomes 0 and 6. Now sign of, when it image in y-axis, sign of y will not change, so it will remain 6. 0 will become negative, but negative of 0 is 0, so I write 0, 6. Again I say, because image the reflection is in y-axis, so sign of y coordinate will not change. If it is 6, it will remain 6. Sign of this will change. Now it is 0, so negative 0 means 0, so I write 0 as it is. Then part 4, 6 minus 6. I have to find the axis. It is minus 6, 6. Now both signs have changed. 6 has become minus 6, minus 6 has become 6. When both signs change, it means image is in origin, reflection is in origin. Then part E, 4 minus 8. I have to find the axis in which the reflection is there. It is minus 4 minus 8. Now you see y is as it is. Here it is minus 8, here it is minus 8, no change of sign. X sign changed, it is 4, now it is minus 4. When sign of first change, it means it is in y axis. Then question number 2. A point P is its own image under the reflection in a line L. That means AB under the line L is AB. So if there is no change, A remains A, B remains B. It means the point lies on the line L. If the point is lying on any line, so suppose the point is lying on this line, I take y-axis or any line I can take, it is its own image. So if I put my hand here, then there is no distance between my hand and image theoretically. Distance will be there according to the thickness of the mirror, but in mathematics, if I put my hand on the mirror, the image will join my hand. So it means there is no change if the point lies on the mirror or lies on the line L. Question number 3. State the coordinates of the following points under reflection in x-axis. So 3, 2. In x-axis will become 3 minus 2, because when we reflect in x-axis, the sign of y change. Second sign changes, first sign remain as it is. Minus 5, 4. In x-axis it is minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 will remain as it is because it is an x-axis, sign of second will change. 0, 0. In x-axis it will remain 0, 0. Then question number 4, easier one. It is in y-axis. 6 minus 3. In y-axis will become, now sign of x will change. If it is in y-axis, sign of first will change. Minus 6, second will remain as it is. It was minus 3 here, it will remain minus 3 there. Then minus 1, 0. In y-axis it is 1, 0. Sign of first will change, second will remain as it is. Minus 8, minus 2 in y-axis. So minus 8 will change to 8 because it is in y-axis, sign of first will change. Minus 2 remain as it is. Then origin, question number 5. Change is in origin. Minus 2, minus 4. When the reflection is in origin, both signs change. Minus 2 will become 2, minus 4 will become 4. Then minus 2, 7. In origin, both signs change. 2, minus 7. Minus 2 will change to 2, 7 will change to minus sign because it in origin, both signs will change. Negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Then 0, 0. 0, 0 has no change, whether it is in origin, whether it is y-axis, whether it is in x-axis. So it will remain 0, 0. Then so before starting of question number 6 and 7, we have to remember from 9th class also you should remember that line x is equal to 0 mean y-axis. If line it is written that line x is equal to 0, it mean y-axis. If it is written y is equal to 0, it mean x-axis. If line x is equal to 0 is given, it mean y-axis. If line y is equal to 0 is given, it mean x-axis. So now question number 6 is find the coordinate of the following points under the reflection line x is equal to 0. It mean y-axis. It mean y-axis. This you should remember. Again I say, if line x is equal to 0, it mean y-axis. Line y is equal to 0 mean x-axis. So question number 6, line x is equal to 0 mean y-axis. So minus 6, 4. I write y-axis in place of line x is equal to 0. When y-axis is there, sign of first will change. Minus 6 will become 6. 4 will remain as it is. Then 0, 5. Y-axis, sign of first will change. 0 mean 0. 5 remain as it is because no change of sign is there in the second one. Then 3, minus 4. Y-axis, sign of first will change. Minus 3. Second will remain as it is. Minus 4 means minus 4. Then question number 7. Here line y is equal to 0. Line y is equal to 0 mean x-axis. Y is equal to 0 mean x-axis. So minus 3, 0. In place of y is equal to 0, I can write x-axis. When x-axis is there, first sign remain as it is. Second sign changes. 8, minus 5. X-axis, sign of first will remain as it is. Sign of second will change. Minus 5 will become 5. Minus 1, minus 3. In x-axis, sign of first will change. Minus 1 will become, sign of second will change. It is in x-axis. Minus 1 remain as it is. Minus 3 becomes 3. Then question number 8. A point P is reflected in the x-axis. Let point P be AB. AB is reflected in x-axis. It becomes minus 4 and 5. Now AB when reflected in x-axis, sign of A will remain as it is. Sign of B will change. Now we equate these two because this point becomes minus 4, 5. It means A minus B is minus 4, 5. AB becomes minus 4, 5. AB should become A minus B. That means A minus B is minus 4, 5. So it means A is equal to minus 4, minus B is equal to 5, or B is equal to minus 5. So point P is AB. Value of A is minus 4. Value of B is minus 5. Answer. Again I repeat, if I reflect AB in x-axis, it becomes A minus B. Now value of A minus B is given as minus 4 and 5. So A is equal to minus 4, minus B is equal to 5, mean B is equal to minus 5. Then one more question we do. Okay, second part is also there. Second part, find the coordinate of image P under reflection in the y-axis. So -4, -5, I have to reflect it under y-axis also. When it is reflected under y-axis, sign of first will change, -4 will become 4, it is -5, that is answer to second. So for today it is enough. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Remain inside, stay healthy, stay well, have some exercise, have some light food, not very much heavier food because activity level in these days is low. Follow the instructions of your parents, follow the instructions of your authorities so that we can beat this demon called coronavirus. Thank you very much for today.